Hi, I'm Beth, the Director of Clinical Advancement at Athletico. At Athletico, we are committed to our team members' development and continuous improvement. That's why we've developed an extensive mentoring program for all clinicians as they begin their careers at Athletico, focused on care quality and community building. The Clinician Mentoring Program is a 12 to 24-month program comprised of operational onboarding and skill development mentorship. From the first day of employment, each new team member is paired with an experienced, high-performing clinician for a customized mentoring approach consisting of formal learning, made up of learning courses, classes, and training programs, social learning, building relationships with communities, networks, coaching, and mentoring, and finally, experiential learning, identifying new and challenging experiences. The first 90 days are focused on learning clinic operations, and the remainder of the program is centered around clinician skill development through various opportunities, including in-person clinical mentoring, continuing education opportunities, and specialty program selection. These are all designed to promote clinical excellence and inspire professional growth. Our Clinician Mentoring Program exposes new team members to various treatment approaches and techniques, advanced and highly effective clinical reasoning methodologies, and discussions of Athletico's best practices and care quality initiatives. Each skill development module will span multiple weeks and cover a variety of topics like pain science, surgical and non-surgical conditions spanning all major areas of the body, practice management topics, including but not limited to time management, efficient and defensible documentation, professional communication, and management of complex patient conditions. By the program's end, you will have the skills to strengthen your interpersonal and communication skills, garner meaningful relationships with colleagues, and feel ready to accelerate your clinical practice. Additionally, you will better understand Athletico's specialty services and their role in developing and differentiating your clinical practice. To thrive in this field, you need the same support and care you give your patients. We're investing in real person-to-person mentorship so you have a smooth transition from classroom to clinic. We stand by our Clinician Mentoring Program and believe it's the difference between creating a good clinician and a great clinician. We just have one question. Are you ready to change lives? Because we're ready to change yours.